Today is Sunday, April 14th, 2019. I'm about to embark on a journey of installing the KLX Needle kit in my KLR. I got the necessary tools ready. I got the little stool I can sit on. I've already got the plastics and the seat, almost the tank off the KLR. Can I do this, and what level of frustration will it bring? Let's find out. I'll be back when I get started. I got the tank off. I got everything else off. I'm going ahead and revert back to my instructions and we'll finish everything up. I don't know if this is in the frame, but that's my little fuse panel where I run all my electrical stuff. It's a very dark, hazy day. I apologize for that. I might have to go get a headlamp so I can see what I'm doing. Now the thing, I might have to loosen this up too. Right here, loosen up the SO Motec crash bars to twist the carburetor, actually get it out of there. I'll do that last. So you take this screw out right here. I'm using a JIS screwdriver. The shoulders on these screwdrivers are different than the Phillips, and if you're not careful, if you use a Phillips on a JIS screw, you could strip it out. So this is a throttle cable assembly. Take that out. It should come right out of there. Like that right there. We'll have to put it over here. Just get it out of the way. So now I'm taking out the needle kit and the spring. Make sure I'm doing everything properly here. So I got the spring seat out. So there's the original needle. Doesn't look like much, does it? Oh, so I could have just left this in place like that. As well as this. Okay, so I got the needle put together and I got it back in there. Let me go ahead and put this all back together. I want to make sure this is seated. I did buy the upgraded screw kit for it. So the needle kit is done, the needle done, and now I gotta put the jets in. So the top part of the carburetor is done according to the instructions. I gotta twist the carburetor the other way. That's gonna be tough right there. So that is the choke. You don't want to break that. I wonder if I can get that thing out of there. Okay, I got the carb turned. No problem. I had to loosen it up on the choke cable on the other side, all these little brackets, and you pull it loose off the guides, and there's plenty of room to turn it so you can get to these screws under here. And again, GIS screwdriver is what you need for this job. It's one of them. Oh, see, that one right there almost didn't make it. Alright, so I spoke too soon. Gotta make sure this screwdriver is seated in there properly. Oh, and that one's not. That one I just stripped one of the screws out already. So this is gonna be fun. It's always something with these things, isn't it, guys? Oh, this is not gonna be pleasant. Alright, so the screws are stripped, officially stripped. Yep, two of them are officially stripped out. Look at that. Let me show you something. That is no bueno. Well, I never got it out. Thankfully, I got some easy out bits. And that helped just to loosen it up and heat it. I got a little pair of needle nose, some bent needle nose, and some little vice grips. I was able to get it out. Actually stripped two of them. Even using the GIS screwdriver, so I just had the wrong size bit, so gotta be careful. So now I need to put the new jet in. Unscrew the main jet. There we go. We got the jet out, the old jet, and let's see, for the stock one, back to the instructions. The stock bite, so I need a 140 main jet. Now, hopefully I can see that on here, because I'm blind.
Eight hours later.
So let's see as it starts. Put the choke on. A little cold. I want to take a couple of minutes and thank you. If you watched the video all the way to the end and you're seeing this, I really appreciate it. I'll put my email address and my mailing address right over here somewhere. And if you have stickers you want to send me, I'd appreciate it. Talk to y'all again soon. Goodbye.